Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today, we're diving deep into the world of high-end drones with an in-depth review of the DJI Inspire 3. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a drone enthusiast, or just someone curious about the cutting edge of drone technology, this video is for you. The DJI Inspire 3 promises incredible advancements in flight performance, camera quality, and overall usability. We'll be exploring its key features, performance in various conditions, and how it stacks up against its competition. If you want more information about this drone, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. Let's start with the design and build. The Inspire 3 is a big and hefty drone. This isn't your average consumer drone. It's built tough for the demands of professional filming environments. The kit includes the Zenmuse X9-8K Air gimbal camera, an RC Plus remote controller, a charging hub, a ProSSD 1TB, 6TB51 intelligent batteries, and a trolley case. So, it's a pretty comprehensive package. Now, let's talk about image quality and the camera. The new full-frame Zenmuse X9-8K Air gimbal camera is a game-changer. You can shoot stunning 8K video at up to 75 frames per second in ProRes RAW and 25 frames per second in Cinema DNG. Need high frame rates? No problem. It supports 4K video up to 120 frames per second. The camera offers up to 14 stops of dynamic range, capturing vibrant and detailed footage in various lighting conditions. Plus, you can shoot in both RAW and JPEG formats for added flexibility in post-production. When it comes to flight performance, the Inspire 3 is top-notch. It features the new Waypoint Pro system, offering precision up to 10mm accuracy with the optional DRTK2 mobile station. This is perfect for complex filming scenarios and professional applications like surveying and inspections. Flight time is advertised at up to 28 minutes, but in real-world conditions, you can expect around 18 minutes before the return to home feature kicks in. Despite its professional focus, the Inspire 3 is designed to be user-friendly. It has automatic landing gear that raises and lowers, allowing for 80-degree upward shooting and 360-degree camera panning. The folding propellers can stay attached during transportation, which speeds up setup times, although it's still a bit longer than consumer drones. The RC Plus remote controller comes with a large 7-inch 1200 nit touchscreen and direct access controls for camera settings. The new DJI Pilot 2 app provides a cinema-grade interface, enhancing the user experience for professional filming. The drone supports dual control, so one operator can pilot the drone while another manages the camera, crucial for complex filming projects. The Inspire 3 also packs some advanced features like Waypoint Pro, repeatable routes, and 3D dolly modes. These allow for precise route and shot planning, making it easier to capture consistent footage across multiple takes. RTK positioning, supported by optional accessories, boosts flight accuracy, which is great for both filming and surveying. Now, let's discuss image and video capabilities. The camera delivers exceptional quality, comparable to a full-frame mirrorless camera. It supports a range of professional codecs, including ProRes 422 HQ and H.264. All video is captured in flat/RAW profiles, so you'll need to color grade in post-production, giving you full control over the final look of your footage. In conclusion, the DJI Inspire 3 is a top-tier professional drone offering unparalleled image quality and advanced flight capabilities. It's not for casual users due to its size, weight, and complexity, but for filmmakers and professionals, it's an invaluable tool. The Inspire 3's robust build and comprehensive features make it a premier choice for capturing stunning aerial footage. The full-frame Zenmuse X9-8K Air gimbal camera, advanced Waypoint Pro system, and precise RTK positioning provide unmatched versatility and control for professional applications. Despite its professional focus, the Inspire 3 is designed with user-friendly features like automatic landing gear and a large 7-inch touchscreen controller. Whether you're shooting high-end films, conducting commercial inspections, or performing detailed surveys, the Inspire 3 delivers the performance and reliability needed for the most demanding projects. Its impressive capabilities and high-quality output ensure it stands out in the professional drone market. And this is the review of DJI Inspire 3. If you're interested in this drone, check out the link in the description below for more information. And if you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison or review, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.